Let's go.
Want to catch bigger fish without expensive gear? Watch how I make my own fishing tools and outsmart the priciest equipment. In fishing, success is not decided by the price of your gear. It is decided by understanding how fish react, how water moves, and how small details change everything. What you see in this video is not a random setup or a visual display. It is a real idea in action. A homemade fishing rig tested where it actually matters in the water. Every second of this video shows a choice made with intention. From the way the line moves, to how the rig sits in the water, to the balance between simplicity and effectiveness. Homemade fishing tools are not built to look impressive. They are built to solve problems. Problems that appear when factory gear fails, and when fish stop responding to standard setups. Fish don't care about brands or prices. They react to motion, contrast, timing, and confidence. When those elements come together, the strike is no accident. This video represents a mindset, a belief that fishing is not about luck, but about reading conditions and adapting with what you create yourself. You're not just watching a rig being used. You're watching experience turn into results. If you think fishing success comes from buying better gear, this video will challenge everything you believe. Why every angler should learn to make their own fishing gear. Fishing is more than just casting a line, it's about skill, creativity, and understanding the water. While expensive rods and reels can be tempting, nothing beats the satisfaction and advantage of crafting your own fishing tools. Here's why every angler should try it. 1. Cost-effective. Making your own gear saves money and allows you to customize without breaking the bank. 2. Customization. You can design hooks, rigs, and lures tailored specifically to the fish you're targeting. 3. Skill development. Crafting your tools improves your knowledge of fishing mechanics and techniques. 4. Problem solving. When you make your own equipment, you learn to adapt quickly in tricky situations. 5. Connection to nature. Using something you created yourself adds a deeper satisfaction to every catch. Smart fishing isn't about how much money you spend, it's about creativity, patience, and understanding your craft. By learning to make your own gear, you don't just fish, you master the art of fishing. Remember, a homemade tool can sometimes outsmart the priciest gear on the market. So, roll up your sleeves, get creative, and make your next catch even more rewarding.